Alright, hello everyone, it is me, Squid. Yeah, I'm back. We're gonna be playing sally.exe, hopefully today. Don't mind my background, don't judge, leave me alone, don't bully me. Alright, let's have a go. I'm terrified. Oh, okay, never mind then. Oh, I take that back. Yeah, kinda, hello? Hello? What do you want? Oh no.
Sonic?
Just kidding, Sal. Kiss wasn't that great.
I suppose you can do better.
Is grass green? Is water wet?
Okay. I need to turn down my volume now, even though I just turned it up. I don't know how comfortable I am with this. To be honest, no, I'm not. I refuse, and you're bullying me. I feel bullied. Well, here we go, I guess. I apologize if you can hear wind in the background. Who the hell is Kyle? Oh great, y'all can see my dead name. Please call me Keith. Or do not. Or just preferably Squid, I guess. Let's do this. I'm not afraid. Woo! No, no, no. No, can I leave? No, no, Sonic, do not. Okay, well, guess what, bitch? I'm not doing it. Dang it. Do I have to? Of course I do. The Sonic.exe game. What do I expect? Oh, shoot. Oh, this is trippy. Okay. Very cliche. No, I don't like this part. Oh, cream. She's adorable. Look, I can save her. Never mind. I guess not. There was no way around this. I'm sad now. No! That's illegal! You can't go! What the frick? No, I'm not fapping. I'm just hitting my chest because I'm anxious. Oh god, I'm literally playing this at 1 in the morning. Oh great. Sally. Sally. Let's get out of here. Okay. Never mind, I guess. Oh shoot, I just remembered the jump scare. Hey Sonic, can we not? That'd be great. Hello, sir? 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 Sir, okay. Jump scare warning. Oh well, Sally's dead. Sonic, my love. What is that? Okay. Well, that was an experience, I guess. Yeah, never doing that again.